jumping on top of a mattress.
Like my parents' waterbed growing up when we grew up in a single wide. Bro, we got these brand new 2021s. You know what time it is? Time for a RipSesh. We got the new 2021 Can-Am Maverick X3s out here. And for the day, we get to be little kids.
Can-Am stepping their game up like always on the new models. Wouldn't expect anything less.
They got 3 settings that you can flip on the fly. They've got comfort mode for nice plush trail riding, sport mode for more aggressive trail riding, and then sport plus mode for when you really want to rip in this thing. And it's just incredible that straight out the box, it's set up for anybody from the casual riders to people like us that like to rip on these things.
Speakers up in here, they light up all real nice. I bet it looks good at night. Sounds good, crisp sound.
Dude, it's unbelievable what these things will do. Cornering, we found a jump back there that jumps to flats and it catches you like you brace for it and you think it's gonna hit hard and it's just as smooth as can be. And then pitching it in, man, it handles so good. And we got back here to some rocks, locked in 4-wheel drive, diff lock, comfort mode. Bro, it was like King of the Hammers, except way better riding. If anything will blow your backbone out your butthole, it's this drop off, I bet.
It feels like you just ride it on clouds, man.
Man, they truly found the mixture of performance, control, and comfort in that thing. And I get it now that I've driven it. You know, it rides good, it's comfortable. Even in Sport Plus, like it rides and drives really nice. But when you bomb it, like it catches out G-outs, none of it hurts, man. It's impressive. So an already phenomenal machine, incredible car, and they just step it up a little more with a good suspension on this thing.